how to make a flat object, in this case a mime wall. So there are four things that you have to be aware of. The first thing is a contrast. Contrast means contrast between relax and tension. So tension, relax, relax, tension, relax, tension, relax. This is very important because as soon as you progress, the whole mime illusion is created and based off relaxed and tension. So the second thing is keep the distance in between. So when I take one distance here, I have to keep it the same distance in between. Keep the distance. The third important thing is a hand position. So the hand position at different angles are very, very important. So this is a common position of a hands, but you have many different positions. For example, a side position, you have a back position, you have up position, so you have a down position, and so on. This is very important because if you are just going to keep a one position, that will be boring for public. They want to see new thing. This is very important, you know, to have a different angles. So keep yourself creative. Just make a different positions and practice. And the fourth and the most important thing is called a tuck. This is a French school. It's called tuck. And a popping, it's called a pop. Why is a tuck most important thing? Is because it creates the illusion of beginning and the end of our movement. So each our movement that we are doing has a beginning and the end. So the tuck controls both of them. So it's going like this. I will show you. So this is beginning and beginning and beginning and beginning and. So the tuck is just a small impulse that we are giving. The best thing is if you see, for example, now I'm going to take another example, just drinking a glass of water. So look at this. So in this small movement we see many of small tucks. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different tucks. Tuck. Beginning and beginning and. So let's go back to our wall. So here we are. So the beginning end of movement. Beginning and beginning and beginning and. So this is the 4 most important things that you have to be aware of in order to make a good presentation, a great illusion for the public. Now I'm going to show you a side wall. The side wall, as we said, important thing is angle, the position of our arms. So this arm has to be straight, because when the arm is not straight, so I have not enough space to move myself. So keep straight, and I have a space here. Another important thing is the movement of a hip. It's at the same time I'm It's a movement between arms and the hips in another direction, in opposite direction. So look at this. That's important. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. The important thing is also how I'm going to make a step. Here we are, beginning and changing the position. It's the same position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keep practicing. So next time I'm going to make the wall for the professionals. That's the second part of my lesson that I'm going to present to you. So keep practicing, comment, subscribe, and have a fun.